time. Match starts in 3, 2, 1, go!
All right, all of our teams are moving off of Auton. 1648 goes to score an algae in the barge, while 1833 goes to score some coral on their top half. Meanwhile, 6023 and 6829 seem to have scored some coral off of their preload, leaving us in the Auton of 27 to 22, giving the Red Alliance an advantage so far in the match. Looking over at the Red Alliance, they managed to score a couple more coral in their top tier. Each one of those corals will be worth 5 points, so filling up that tier is absolutely essential in winning playoff matches like this. Looking over the Blue Alliance, we have 6023 scoring a second algae in their barge net. Meanwhile, 1414 is looking at scoring coral in the Tro section along with, it seems like, the 6023. Nope, 6023 goes to tier 4, also getting those valuable points on the top of their reef. 6829 also looks to score another algae into their barge, bringing them to 4 algae up in the barge. Now looking back over to the Red Alliance, they seem to have their top tier almost filled up at this point. 1648 drops one as they attempt to score. 1833 is also going to continue to pick up coral with their ground intake. 3318 will also take another coral from their human player and aim to score it seemingly in their trophy, but they just miss it. 1648 goes ahead and scores another one in their top tier, leaving them with only 2 spots left on their top tier. Looking back over to the Blue Alliance, they have scored another algae in their barge net, as 6023 also looks to score another coral on the top of their reef, and they do. The score is currently 85 to 73 with 48 seconds left in the match. It is going to be quite a close one. 1648 scores another coral to fill up the top tier of their coral on the Red Alliance's side, while 1414 scores another coral on the second tier. Still valuable points. 6023 goes to score on tier 4, and they do. 6829 looks to be attempting their climb with 25 seconds as we go to enter the end game here, while 1833 seems to be struggling to move. 1648 scores the final coral on top of their cage. They also go to do a deep cage climb. 1833 has parked and is no longer moving for the rest of the match. 3318 looks to score one more coral in their trove at the end. The rest of the Blue Alliance is also looking to score the last couple of coral. 6023 comes in and parks at the last second. 6028 looks like they were not able to get off the ground by the buzzer. That's it for the match, folks, and we'll wait for the final score. right, let's go ahead and take a look at the scores from that last match. It was very close at the end there. Let's see who took it. And the Red Alliance is going to take that win by a narrow margin of 4 points. The Red Alliance ends up outscoring the Blue Alliance 112 to 108. The Red Alliance did seem to dominate the Coral game there, which did seem to end up winning them the match. And while the Blue Alliance was able to make up some ground there with the algae, it eventually did go to his Red Alliance. Red Alliance is going to advance to round 2, match 8, and the Blue Alliance will advance to round 2, match 6.